Hello Disney fam, I am Pauline, the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and today I'm coming to you with a Halloween pin haul. I have been collecting, maybe over the past month or so, Halloween pins to add to my official Halloween pin display. And at the end of the video, I will show you how I'm going to display my pins for Halloween and special holidays moving forward. But first, let's get into the pins. First up, I have a trade from Kristen from Facebook, and Kristen has been trying to trade with me for quite some time, and I'm so happy I finally got to broker a trading pin deal with Kristen, and I got some awesome Halloween pins. Okay, first off, Kristen gave me some goodies. This Disneyland D vinyl sticker, and on the back she wrote, "Thank you so much." And then she also sent me these awesome like little sticker stationery things. They are so cool. I love stationery stuff, and they feature Buzz and Woody. Now let's get into the Halloween pins. First up is this Shock pin. This is actually Shock from Nightmare Before Christmas. She is pals with Lock and Barrel. Lock, Shock, and Barrel. And this is actually a Loungefly pin, and it is supposed to be a backpack of Shock. I've been watching the Pumpkin Queens and Walt Life Salt Life, and those are two awesome Disney YouTubers if you love Nightmare Before Christmas. But they have me wanting to collect some more Nightmare Before Christmas pins for my Halloween pin boards. Next, we've got this ghost that says, "You've got spirit," and it has little Mickey ears on it. And I want to say this was from a pack that had 4 pins total, so this is 1 out of 4, I believe. And I do think I have a couple more of these pins, but I love the typography pins. This one isn't anything super great, but I like the "You've Got Spirit" little play on words there. Then from that same set, it's a little cauldron, and it says "Handsome Devil." And one of my favorite parts about this pin is in the bubbles, you can see a little hidden Mickey. There's also a hidden Mickey on the eye in Devil. And probably my favorite one from the set is this mini hat. It is a witch hat. On the hat it says, "I'm a good witch." This is so cute. I love all the little sparkle drawings on it. No glitter detail, but it feels sparkly with the drawings. Then I had another trade from Facebook with Laura, and I actually got another pin from her that I'm not going to show in this video because it is actually for a pin advent calendar that I am exchanging with Mary at Jolly Holiday with Mary, and we are going to open them up during our Vlogmas. So be sure to stay tuned because I'm going to be opening an awesome pin every day from December 1st to December 24th. So the Halloween pin I got was this little zero pin. I love this zero pin. I think there are a lot of zero pins out there, but I am picky about how they look, and I do like how this one looks. I believe it's a Loungefly pin, and he's so happy, and you can see his little pumpkin nose. All right, and then I happened to snag one of the Sanderson sisters from Timothy over on Facebook. Thank you so much, Timothy. I want to collect the other 2 of these and also Binks, but this pin is probably my favorite one. So this has Sarah on here, and she is just looking like she's about to say a muck or jump around. I love her sparkly glitter hair and her big smile. Just the design of this whole series is really cute. Now we're gonna move on to a couple pins that I got on eBay. So the first one is this Darth Vader pin with a big bowl of candy corn. And I love candy corn. So I had to get this pin. So here we got Darth Vader. It looks like he's making the candy corn float, and there's a nice big bowl of candy corn, and it is in a Death Star bowl. Next up is this Lilo pin holding a pumpkin. I absolutely love Lilo and Stitch, and this one just looks so cute but spooky. So little Lilo here looks a little bit frightened. She's dressed up as a witch and she has this adorable little pumpkin that she is holding. Then I have this adorable Duffy pin. If you've been on my channel before, you know I love Duffy and Friends. I really think they need to be in the US parks, but I just couldn't pass up this pin. It's so cute. So here's little Duffy, and he has a Duffy candy bucket. So cute. And Duffy is dressed up as a little pumpkin. Next up, we have Minnie Mouse dressed up as a witch with little Figaro. This pin was actually from 2019 when Phil and I went to Disney, but I did not pick this up. But it features little Figaro, who I love because he makes me think of Zeus. This pin is so cute and commemorates our honeymoon trip. And then I got a pack of 2 pins that actually came together from 2019. Why I didn't pick these pins up is beyond me because I absolutely love them. First up is the Going Batty pin. So this one features a Mickey Mouse bat and it says Going Batty, and the batty has a nice glitter detail in the white. And it's more of a metal pin than a traditional enamel pin. Then my favorite of the 2 is Point Me to the Candy. Now I have a very similar one for Christmas, but I love this Halloween one too. So it says Point Me to the Candy with some fun typography, and then all around are Halloween candies with some hidden Mickeys. And last but certainly not least, I have been eyeing these pins for a while. So I pulled the trigger and bought some Halloween pins from 2020 off of Shop Disney. I just want to mention too, they all came in this padded envelope, which from what I've seen online is not always the case. So I am thankful that Shop Disney packaged this up nice and well. First up, as the unofficial candy corn queen, this is a candy corn castle. So this candy corn castle features candy corn roofs, candy at the bottom, and some Mickey lollipops. And next up in a pack together are these Mickey and Minnie pumpkins. So Mickey and Minnie are very similar looking. Minnie just has some cute little lashes and an adorable little candy corn bow. Both of these are really cute together, and actually Mickey's just a smidge taller than Minnie. And speaking of Minnie, I also purchased another Minnie pin. It's Little Minnie as a witch. And this has a beautiful glitter background, and Minnie is just waving her wand of a spoon, and it looks like she's cooking up some delicious Halloween treats. And finally, Magician Mickey Mouse. And Mickey is waving his wand, summoning some delicious Halloween treats, and he is looking so dapper in his Halloween tails. Finally, I'm so excited to share with you how I'm going to be displaying my Halloween and Christmas and any other holiday I decide to put pins out for. But it is with this beautiful fabric hanger. So it's 2 pieces of wood, and in between is fabric, and then you put the pins on the fabric. And I got this from an Etsy shop called Home and Occasions, and the owner Heather over there was so amazing. She let me see the colors beforehand because I just wanted to make sure it worked on my wall. And then she also was able to customize the little eye hooks and make them gold because I'm just picky like that. So thank you so much, Heather, for making such an awesome product. I can't wait to put my pins on this. What I'm probably going to end up doing is ordering more for the holidays, just so the fabric doesn't get damaged with so many pins going through all the time. And that way I just don't have to rearrange them every season either. But very exciting news for you guys. Heather gave me a discount code to share with everyone on my channel and on Instagram. It is going to be code Mouse and Mermaid, and you are going to get 20% off what a steal. Thank you so much, Heather. I really hope some of you guys get this awesome banner to put your pins on. And obviously you saw the banner blank. I'm gonna add pins to it, so I will give you guys a peek at how it looks on display in my home right here. All right guys, here is the little display we set up. That is a sign I made too. But I love how the pins look with the sign, and then I'm gonna switch the sign out every holiday, and it'll be a fun little display. I hope you guys like the wall display I put together. I am obsessed with that sign I made too. I feel like everything just looks so great together. And as an aside, if you want to see me make that sign, I will put a link above to where I do a fun craft day with my mother-in-law in our weekly vlogs, and you can see me put that and some other fun Halloween signs together. Well, that about wraps it up for our Halloween pins. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. And I'd love for you to comment below and tell me what was your favorite pin that I got today. And as always, if you enjoyed this content, you may enjoy some of our other content. So I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. We do weekly vlogs, pin mail, in-park videos, and lots of other fun Disney content. So I hope that you stick around and follow along. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.